Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add background music to a video in CapCut. So here, if you edit your clips on CapCut, there will be a few options that you can choose in adding the background music. So first, you just need to click on the audio. So here, you can add the sound or music provided by CapCut, or you can also use just a sound effects from CapCut, or you can also extract the audio from the existing video on your phone. So there are three options that you can choose, but here I'm going to just go to sound. Okay, so on the sound here, you can also add the music from your gallery or your storage on your phone by clicking on this folder icon, and here click on from device. You can select the sound from your own device. So for example, I'm going to add this into my video, and the background music will be saved like so. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks icon. Bye.